been noticing the shuddering in the steering wheel getting worse as we're braking downhill, looking a bit like this. Typical cause of this is warping of the front discs or rotors. So what I'll do is I'll go in. I've got some pretty much new ones off a guy I know, so I'll change them over and we'll see if that fixes the problem. You've got a lock pin here so you can take off the discs. Allen key. It's on the brakes so it doesn't rotate. There we go. Easy. It wasn't easy before, but it is now. Okay, so next we'll take off the caliper. On the other side, it's a sensor wire to disconnect. Just take that off as well before dropping this. Take this off. Okay. This thing can slide out completely. Just kind of with this out of the way. That's what you'll want for the makes it a lot easier for the discs to be in and out. Okay, put the replacement disc on. In my case, it's second hand from a mate. It tells me it's only got 1,000 Ks on it, so take his word on that. Put the calipers on. You can do it You can do it as we were doing it. Another way this car lets you do it is you can just put this bracket on by itself. It pretty much goes around the back like that, and bolts on. You'll need to take these off to do that. And they're a 7mm Allen key. I don't have a 7mm, so I can't go that way. But take these off, and you put that bracket on. You pretty much just put the calipers, main caliper part over the top, and then you can put these back in and you're good to go. But we'll do it the old school way. As we're, because we're getting new pads, we need to push this piston in so that it'll, so you can get the pads in. Do it slowly. You're pushing all the brake fluid back up the top again. You don't want it coming out too much up the top, too quick. Wake up. Yeah. Do it up nice and tight. Torque that up later. So if you're on the passenger side in an Australian vehicle, or the driver's side in Europe, you'll have this additional sensors for your brake pads. So I'll just show you how you connect that up. Under this cap here, I just spin this around. That's this side. This all the way over, like that, and it comes around. It comes around to this point here. It just clips all the way in. Actually, you'll see, feel it when it goes all the way. There you go. Done. Okay, chuck the wheels on.